everyone, this is Nitol Arfat. Welcome to Programmers Club. Today we will discuss about what is string in Python, string quotation and escape sequence, and also Python raw string. A string in Python is a sequence of characters which are enclosed in quotation mark. A string is an immutable. This means that once defined, they cannot be changed. We will soon discuss about string methods that can be used to modify a string, such as replace method, split method, join method. Actually, they do not change the original string. They create a copy of a string which they modify and return to caller. Generally, double quotes are used for string representation and single quotes are used for regular expression, SQL, dictionary keys, and triple quotes used for multi-line comment and formatted string. As example, I want to print, run it. Now we get a formatted string. We also saw that in previous lesson. Now I would like to create some string as like love, and I say programmers club, and another is like text, and I say we love Python. And now I need to print that and run. We can simply get programmers club and we love Python, but I need a single quotes before s, and I also need this word Python is enclosed with a single quotation as like here, and also here we can see that both are going to error. Python interpreter cannot interpret that, but simply we can solve that using double quote, and here also I run it once again, and we can see before as a single quote and Python enclosed with double quote. But when I need a double quote here and also I need a double quote enclosed with Python, this word, then it's going error once again. Then we can use along with a backslash, and here also I use backslash. Now it's perfect, and I run it. Now we can see a double quotes and Python enclosed with double quote. This is a escape sequence. Escape sequence allows to include a special character in a string. Most programming languages use backslash. In Python also use backslash before character you want to escape. Now I'm going to write some escape sequence. So I say \t for tab, \n for new line, \single or double quote is used for single and double quotations. And if you need a double backslash in your string, then you should use triple backslash. Is used for double backslash. Now I want to comment out that, and now I need a tab between two words. Now here I say \t and run it once again, and I can see here a tab space. If I need a new line between of these two words, then I can see it's create a new line. If I need a double backslash, and I say here double backslash. Now I hope you understand about Python escape sequence. We are discuss about raw string. A raw string can be used by prefixing the string with r, which allow for backslash to be included without the need to escape them. For example, here I say print and r quotation backslash don't need for raw string. Here I give triple backslash and run it. We can see this is return triple backslash. If I want to create new line, but I can see here they do not create a new line. So let me know at comment section if you have any doubt. Okay, bye.